What is up guys, Mantis HD here, and today I'm going to show you how to get stretched resolution in Valorant to make your aim crispy and clean. Let's jump right into it. First, right-click on your Windows Start menu and go to Device Manager. Then scroll down to Monitors, tap the arrow to expand it, and right-click to disable both monitor drivers. Boom. Done. Now open your NVIDIA control panel, head to Change Resolution, click Customize, and choose a stretched resolution. I personally recommend 1568 x 1080. In my opinion, it's the best. You could also try 1440 x 992, but I'll stick with 1568 x 1080 for now. After creating it, click Apply. Next, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Select Full Screen and make sure Perform Scaling on GPU is selected. Click Apply again. Your screen should now look stretched. Now, launch Valorant, go into Settings, Video, set display mode to full screen and resolution to your custom stretched res, then click Apply. As you can see, the game is now fully stretched. Jump into the practice range, and you'll notice the enemies look wider. This helps with aiming and tracking, and that's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. I've got more crisp aim tips coming your way. Thanks for watching. Mantis HD out!